Today I am going to speak about how we can reduce the strong smell that comes from leather items like bags, shoes or sofas. New leather often has a sharp odor because of the chemicals used in its making. To reduce this smell, we should keep the leather in fresh air and open spaces. We can also place baking soda or charcoal nearby as they help to absorb the bad smell naturally. Cleaning the leather gently with a mix of water and vinegar can also make it fresh. Instead of spraying perfume, we should try natural methods that keep both the air and the leather safe. By doing this, we make our surroundings cleaner and more pleasant to live in. Thank you.
Leather is useful in our daily lives, but the process of making it often creates strong smell and pollute water. To reduce this, factories must treat their waste properly using fluid treatment plants so that harmful chemicals do not enter rivers. Installing air filters and bioscrubbers can also reduce the foul smell. As a citizen, we can plant more trees around our homes, use air purifiers or activated charcoal to clean the air, and spread awareness about eco-friendly tanning methods. Reusing and recycling leather products can also cut down waste. Together with responsible industries and active communities, we can make our surroundings cleaner, fresher and healthier.
Electronic gadgets. A filter with activated carbon and equivalent gas-phase media because smells are generous variants compose ordinary particles filter. HEPA alone didn't adverse this good air circulate fan so that air can the phase of the smell is through the filter rather than just sitting idle.
The strong smell from leather mainly comes from the chemical used in tanning and processing. These odors can separate in the air and make the surrounding unpleasant. Here are some effective ways to reduce it. Plant more trees and green plants. Trees like neem, bamboo, peepal and tulsi help absorb bad air, release oxygen. Green belts around homes and trees act as natural air purifiers.
What type of devices should useful? The core device you want is an air purifier, air scrubber for odor, anti-gaseous chemical, not only dust particles. It should have these key features: a large activated carbon or impregnated carbon zeolite filter bed. This is essential for trapping odor and chemical gases. A good airflow fan plus housing, so air from the environment is put through the carbon filters. Optionally, pre-filtration of dust particles so the carbon filters remain effective longer even though the smell from gaseous particles may carry them. Optionally, UV photocatalytic or PCO photocatalytic oxidation stage can help break down some odor gas molecules, especially if building something more advanced. Make our device cover the volume air you need. Room, factories area and filter maintain its plant carbon get structure. Thank you.